what?
That one is 80.
80?
Yeah.
80? Okay. What about the chicken?
Chicken, we have 35 chicken.
35.
This one is 70.
Okay.
Oh my god.
You want any? I feel the raindrops. I think it's about to rain on us. People are packing up. We should find a place to hide in a few seconds. Let's see. Punko punko. Chicken. Oh, it's raining now. Everyone's going to hide. Now they're setting up emergency tents. As soon as the rain comes out, everyone's got tents to put up over the eaters. That's smart. They're ready. It's going up all down the street too. With luck, it'll only rain for like 5 minutes and then we'll be back. And now it's pouring. Good thing the GoPro is waterproof. Okay, it's raining. We're still gonna go for it. Everyone else is still selling food. I don't know if I can keep the lens dry. We'll see. Short. Okay. I think we're at the end here again. Oh. It's not raining too bad. I'm tempted to get some barbecue still. Would you eat some barbecue if I got some? Yeah, okay, let's go look at the barbecue. It's cleared out because of the rain, that's good. How do we get back there? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Huh? Do you have a card?
Yeah.
I have a card for the vlog. Yeah. All right. Bye. Go ahead. I'll follow you. Hey, yeah. Oh. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. You sell? How much is the pork barbecue?
This one is 30 and the with bat is 25.
25. What about isaw?
Isaw 15.
Dugo?
It's 20.
20. What do you want? Dugo? Can you grab one dugo for me?
Oh, asa mo tawag pa ko ano kung asta?
Is that it? There's sausage? Is that skin?
Yes.
Okay, let's get this. Sorry. Excuse me. I'll have 2 puso.
Drinks, ma'am. How about drinks? Water and mountain dew. You want drinks?
I have water. Nah, cold water. It's too big.
Meron pong ano, ito lang. 125 na, ma'am.
125.
At ito lang kabayad pa. Ilan yung dugo? Ilan yung dugo? 20. Sige lang, ma'am.
Hey, bro. So, rain lit up mostly. I think I lost count. We were at 260 last time I remember, and then I had barbecue for 75. I think we're only at 335? If so, I'm pretty full. I'm trying to think what else we ate. I'm definitely, when I make this video, I'm gonna have to keep track. Maybe, I don't know, gosh. What else did I have to drink? I had the ice scramble. She couldn't remember either, so. It's hard to eat this much street food. There's so much going on. I think next time I'll just have 500 in my pocket and just spend that. That way it's easier to keep track. Let's see what else we find. Swap meat here. More Sinulog shirts. More Sinulog. Even baby clothes for Sinulog. Everything's so short here. Ooh, lemonade. Do you want a lemonade? Over here. Here, let's go on the sidewalk. And a frozen yogurt. I'm tempted by that too. Frozen yogurt's only 39 pesos too. Lemonade, 29 pesos. Sounds good. That's like 50 cents. I think we'll be up to 350, maybe 360. This is a hard challenge, guys. There's a ton of food. I think the rain cut it in half. There was a big dinosaur tonkatsu I was thinking about getting, but it was so busy I couldn't get there. But that was 100. But it was huge. It was like maybe a pound of fried pork chop. Hi. Good evening. What's your favorite?
Best seller here, sir, is green apple.
Green apple. But what is your favorite?
My favorite is plain lemon.
Plain lemon.
Yes.
Okay. Are the flavors just like a syrup you put in?
No, it's a jam.
Jam. Oh, okay, okay. Strawberry sounds good. Can I do strawberry lemonade?
Yes.
Okay. Which do you want?
How about the toppings?
Toppings.
Rainbow jelly, chia seeds, popping boba.
Not the cocoa?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. What do you want? Mango? And one mango? One strawberry, one mango.
Toppings, ma'am.
What? Shout out? Yeah. Hi. Do you want items?
Yes.
She has a card for the vlog. YouTube.
70.
78. YouTube. Okay. You're like my publicist now. You just have the cards ready. All right. Let's wait to get this out and we'll sample. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Strawberry. Ugh, that's real lemon. Oh my god. It's so sour. It's got little pieces of buko at the bottom. Nata de coco. I guess that's coconut. How was yours? Sour. Asom. Yeah, very sour. It's cold though, so it's good. For 29 pesos, you can't beat it. So I think we're at maybe 375 plus the add-on, so 385. Still got 100 to go. Wow. This is a hard challenge. So good. All right, we'll be back. It's definitely challenging to get through here. Very busy. So many people. It's like I'm dodging. It's a low one. Wow. Half of it's closed down now because of the rain. It's still pretty busy. Yeah. Uh-oh, this one's really low. Yeah. So short. This place was not made for me. That's for damn sure. I wonder how long my battery's gonna last. Maybe another 5 minutes. Okay, the battery died like 5 seconds after I said 5 minutes. So we're back. We're at the Basilica Santo Niño. People are still out here lighting candles and stuff. Definitely late though. I think the rain put a damper on everything. So I did the math too. We had the corn and the melon juice. That was 100. So I think we're at 485. I guess we'll see what my final total is, but very close to 500. So it's doable. I'm definitely full. So I think it's a hard challenge, especially because I like to eat a lot. So for your average person, I think it's going to be very challenging. Unless you just get the most expensive things you can find. But anyway, you can see all the flags and stuff for celebration behind us. Yeah, we're gonna try to find a taxi and get home because we've been here 3.5 hours. Somebody's selling taho. I'm tempted to get some taho, but I've had so much already. So I think it's time to just go home, get some sleep. Because tomorrow there's another celebration called Sinulog Sagdakbayan, which is like dancing in the streets. So got a lot more walking then. But anyway, I might summarize a little bit later, but thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.